Hi everyone, here in this video I will show how to update the student attendance in an employee login. For that we should have a first user and a password of a particular person who is going to put the attendance for a student. So first I am going to choose my own user ID and password. Once you are logged in, this is how the login page of the particular employee will be seen. So on the left side, you will find the menus. In the drop down, you will find the attendance. Choose an attendance. Go to monthly attendance. Click on it. Once you clicked on the monthly attendance, this is how the monthly attendance page will be displayed. Here you have to remember, while updating the attendance of a particular student or a particular class, please fill all the details neatly. Okay, whatever you are choosing here, and choosing of a course, choosing of a subject, choosing of an attendance year, and selecting a month should be proper. Then only you can successfully update the attendance of a particular student or a particular class. So I will show you how to do that. First enter a current year. So which year we have a 5 years here, 2018, 19, 20, 21 and 22. If you are plotting a attendance for a 2021, then only choose 2021. Okay, so I am choosing 2021. Then course and semester, I am taking particular semester. A course and semester, we need to keep in mind, in a particular year, current year, which semester is going on. We have to choose that semester only, that course and that semester. So usually now it is a hot semester will be running in every colleges. So choose first semester or fifth semester or third semester. Now I am going to choose a third semester E&E classes. Okay, and for that particular semester we have to choose the shift. We have whether it is a first shift or a second shift. So we have to select the shift according to that. I am going to choose first shift. Then we have to choose a subject. Okay, which subject for this particular employee, for this current year and for this course, whatever the subject has been allotted, those subjects will be displayed. So I am going to choose one particular subject. Okay, and next we have to choose the batch. So I am going to choose batch 1. As you can see, there are n number of batches here. So in which batch the students will be presented, that particular batch we have to choose. Okay, so and after choosing the batch, we have to select the attendance here. Here attendance here we are plotting the attendance for 2020-21. So we have to choose attendance here as 2021. Once we have choose the attendance here, then we have to select a particular month. For which month we are going to plot attendance. So I am going to choose a November month. I am going to plot a attendance for the November month. So then what I have to do is, now we have to click on display. Once you are clicked on into display, if the students present in a particular month and a particular shift and a particular class, then the student's name will be displayed. If students are not available for that shift and that class, then their names will not be displayed in the drop down. So I will show you that also. See, if you are choosing a second semester E&D, okay, this is even semester class. Okay, if you are choosing a subject as a community or as a industry as a for shift 1, batch 1, and then if you go for a displaying student, see, we won't get any student display because in this particular shift and in this batch and for the particular semester we don't have a student. So while choosing the course, semester and month, we have to choose it very properly. So I am choosing third semester, shift 1, and I am going to choose a subject, then batch 1, and then November display. So once we have displayed the students, as you can see, we have to plot a particular month attendance. So here we have to fill the data properly. Then only we can calculate the attendance or we can save the attendance properly. So in a month, we usually conduct some like 11 classes. So while adding the total classes conducted, we have to add particularly how many classes we have conducted in that month. For example, if we have conducted 12 classes, so we will choose 12. Okay, once we have chosen the 12 classes, next classes conducted, this will be selected automatically. We can't change this. Okay, next, so I'm going to add a student. See, for this student Abhishek Kumar, so I'm going to add a cumulative attendance, how many classes he has attended for out of 12 classes. For example, if he attended 10 classes, okay, enter. Then we have to calculate the attendance of him. So it will show, we have to select the check box. If we select the check box, then only we can calculate the attendance of a particular student. So that check box will be here. If you are checking all the students, put check all. If you are selecting only one particular student, then put on one particular student. Once if you have put on this only, then you can calculate the attendance of a particular student. So out of 12 classes, he has attended 10 classes. So monthly and cumulative percentage will be come. So for a hand, if he has attended 12 classes, if you're going to add 13 out of 12, and it will show as a data we conducted or we entered is incorrect, because whatever the classes has been conducted, only that many classes we have to add. So below that only we have to add is exactly, if he is attended 12 classes, then add 12. If he is added below that, then we have to enter below that. We can't add any extra classes for this. And remember, while calculating the attendance of a particular student, we have to click on check, and then only we can calculate the attendance and we can save. If not, we won't get the percentage of a particular student. If we don't put a checkbox, click on checkbox, and if we try to calculate the attendance, it won't come to calculate the attendance of a particular student. Thank you, Ella. Thank you.